If you say this is pop, to be singing to a tune with a rhythm like this, would it be so unpopular for a singer like me to be bringing up the fact that we're all gonna go? Some people swear, they say they know where. For me it's a mystery, but whichever way you see it, you have to admit it and live it and live it. We all kick the bucket in the end, the end. All the girls kick the bucket in the end, the end. And the boys kick the bucket in the end, the end. Yep, we all kick the bucket in the end, the end, the end, the end, the end. Blew up my TV. It was numb in my brain to be thinking the same as a million other people.